Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your bump stop and any rust or paint where the part installs so you have a good surface to weld. Slide the over-axle frame section onto the frame. Tack weld the part into place before fully welding the part onto the frame. Step 3. Coat the part and work area with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Finally, with the supplied hardware, reinstall your bump stop. Then you're done!